Holy moly, this one looks wild. Y equals 3 times sine of 4 parentheses x plus pi over 4 minus 1. This has a lot of transformations. The 3 in front shows our amplitude. So our amplitude is 3. Our period, we have to do 2 pi divided by b, and our b in this case is the 4. So 2 pi over 4 reduces to 1/2 pi. So this cycle is going to repeat every half of pi. Holy cow. Transformations. Let's see. We have a shift to the left, pi over 4 units. I see the -1. That means we're going to drop it down 1 unit. And there's no reflection. So let's see if we can figure out the domain and range with our brain here. Domain, all real numbers. Not even a problem here. Range. So if we're starting this graph down 1 unit, and our amplitude is 3, so it can go 3 up or 3 down. It's down 1. If I went down 3 more, that would be -4 for my lowest value. If my center's at -1 and I went up 3, that means 2 would be my highest value. But you can figure that out after you graph it as well. But I just like testing your brain, see what you can do. So let's say -1, -2, -3, -4, up to 2. Now if I'm thinking about my steps, I can do my period, pi over 2, divided by 4, or think of that as pi over 2 times 1/4. That's the same as dividing by 4. So that means the graph will change every 1/8 of pi. So let's say this is 1/8, 2/8, which would reduce to pi over 4, right? 2/8 is 1/4. Then we have 3/8, 3 pi over 8. 4/8 reduces to 1/2. 5/8, 5 pi over 8. 6/8, which would reduce to 3/4. 7/8, 7 pi over 4. And 8/8 would be 1 pi. That's all I can fit on mine. All right. So sine is starting at the center of the graph, and it says we're shifting it 1 pi over 4 to the left. So let's say, like I'm pretty much out of room here. Let's say this is -pi over 8, and this is -pi over 4 over here. Hopefully you have room to squeak it over there. So we're starting pi over 4 to the left and down 1. It's going to be this point right here. So from that, sine dips up to the maximum. So the next, our steps are 1/8 of pi. So over at 1/8, it's going to be maxed out. Then back to center. Then the lowest, back to center. Highest, center. Oh shoot, that's not the center on pi over 4. Sorry about that. Then back to the center of the graph, our lowest point, center, highest point, center. Man, that's a wild graph. That was fun though. That was a good time.